Here you go.
So we are here at Arab Health 2020 in Dubai, and we're going to highlight one of the marriages of the Paladin product along with the DIRTT wall product. So what we've been able to do is we've been able to create an antler that will allow us to take a rail and put it literally anywhere on a DIRTT horizontal spine. Here, but more importantly, I can take this from this area. Let's take a walk. We're going to walk down to another area of the booth over here. And it will literally allow me to put an infection control device in any area. Simply by adding that, and now I'm good to go. So without any construction of the wall, without damage to the infrastructure, we can add infection control devices anywhere there is a DIRTT wall application, non-invasively, very simply, and once the crisis is over, if they wish to remove it, it just comes out as quickly as that. Thank you.